Waking up to a brand new day. Sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment a story to.
Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing good. Today is another weekend, so I would like you guys to come along with me. Let's go for our normal weekend shopping. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, we just entered this shop and we bought some things. I forgot that I'm doing vlog, so you guys should bear with me, okay? We are going to another shop, so let's go together.
Every journey, every mile, captured moments, every smile. Life's an adventure, come along in every vlog.
Guys, we just arrived now, so we are going inside the shop. Okay, we are going inside the shop now. Asian shop, can I shop? Okay, Asian shop. Ariano. That's hobby. That's the shop where we are going to. €5 something. No, go back. Let's see the key here now. Walk. Hello. No post. Papa, how na summer can I try? Say ham, but I can't go. What's a green? Huh? What's a green? What's a green? I'm also. So this is my first time taking you guys around the shop. We came here to buy chicken, soft chicken and chicken wings. Okay, this is a very big Asian shop, very big one at that. You can see how big the shop is. The cup look beautiful. So that's the jug. The jug look beautiful. Equal. Here is rice. All this place is rice. Nekwa wheat. So guys, the soft chicken, they don't have it. That's finished. So we came very late. We only saw chicken wings. Let's go with this one instead of leaving without nothing. So that is it. Maybe next weekend. Guys, look at Ghana must go. Because who is buying this Ghana must go in this country? So let me take you guys around small. Okay. This one, I don't know the name of I was eating this rice before. As is better. They say it's better than white rice. But I've ate it before. It's better I go and take So guys, hobby. You see here, no anweji here. Can you hear that? No, can you pig meats. They don't sell pig meat in this shop. Oh, now what I go? No pig meat in this shop.
Right.
And car for pizza.
Go for pizza.
The shop is very big. Eat it. I check your brown rice. On a deal with them.
Ups and downs, we stand tall. Together we can conquer all. Life's an adventure.
Guys, these are the things that we bought. These are the things that we bought. Okay. We are going out now. We are done from this shop. So we're going to African shop now. I'm an African shop. We're going African shop. Guys, we're on our way now to African shop. Okay. You can see it's night here. It's to 6:53 here. Yeah, that's how we dey roll am. Freiburg City. Guys, you know earlier I told you guys I'm going inside. We are going to African shop, right? Yeah. Later, I did not let her go inside. It's only hubby that went inside because of the packed plus, okay? And he have dropped the first one. He went to pick rice, so we bought a bag of rice. So once I get home, I'm going to show you guys what we bought from the African shop. All right, I'm still outside though, waiting for hubby. Hi, my amazing people. So we're back from the shop. We are back. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys what we bought from African shop. You know, earlier I told you that I was not able to go inside because of parking space. Yeah, it was only hubby that went inside. So let me show you guys what we bought. This one is a plantain, ripe and unripe. So unripe, we bought 3. All right, that's the plantain. So for the fish, we bought only 2 nylon. Normally we buy carton of mackerel fish. Yeah, because we need this one OJ, so we bought 2 nylon. That is how many is there? This one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 pieces here. All right. Here we have pig milk. We bought the small one too because the big one that we normally buy is finished, so we have to take the small one too. Yeah, this one is not cute. Feel like say we no buy exactly one why I want to but all the time is okay.
best you
Okay. This one is hair cream. Now the one we have is finished. So, and this is a particular product we normally use here. Very nice. So this one is my favorite. Can you see? The yam is very big, oh, very big yam. So tomorrow's lunch is gonna be egg sauce and yam.
Life's an adventure, come along
That is
in
it.
every vlog we waking up to a brand new day, sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment a story to
Guys, we are done. That's the few things that we bought from African shop. Honestly speaking, next time that we're going there, I'm going to try my best to show you guys inside the shop. Hopefully on that day we are going to get a parking space. That is the problem that we have there. But all the same, thank you all for watching. If today is your first time here, thank you so much. Please do well to support your girl by subscribing to our channel, like, share, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be the #1 to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. Thank you all. I love you. See you guys in our next vlog. Bye.